Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a faster download speed for PS4 in 2024. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to head to settings, then we're going to go to network. From network we're going to go to setup internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, use Wi-Fi. If you're using a LAN cable, use a LAN cable. I'm using a Wi-Fi. Then we're going to go to custom. And then from custom, click on the Wi-Fi you are currently using. Just wait for it to load, shouldn't take too long. And then from here, we're gonna go to automatic, do not specify, manual, and then these are the DNS settings you guys are going to copy. So the first one is 8.8.8.8, and then the second one is 8.8.4.4. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and click next. MTU settings, automatic, proxy server, do not use, and then your internet settings should be updated. Now once it's updated, you can go ahead and click test internet connection, and you guys should see that everything is good to go. And that's basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.